Exchange. Jim Cramer standing by. I know he's been watching everything this morning, though, Jim. And let's dive into some of the earnings that we've gotten. J.P. Morgan and Goldman Sachs, the two big banks out. Goldman Sachs a little higher right now, J.P. Morgan a little lower. What did you think when you dug through the numbers?
Yeah, I think JPM's fine. The consumer's really incredibly well. They do need to see a little bit more lending. Trading's down less than expected. I think it's fine. Goldman is just a blowout. I mean, geez. They are number one in everything now with investment banking. They had a really amazing quarter. Trading was good, took a lot of market share. Wealth management's incredibly strong. I think that this was really an excellent quarter by Goldman because it's up against some very difficult comparisons about when people were going crazy in COVID. So I really like the Goldman number. JP Morgan is just consistent with JP Morgan. Nothing matter with consistency. But Goldman is the big surprise, and so far so good.
I guess part of the question is, we've kind of been talking about this morning. How do you beat expectations when there's already so much baked in? The stocks have really run, and a lot of the good news we know about. Now the question is what comes next, right?
Right. Well, look, I think that there's a lot of feeling by some of the critics of Goldman that there's a one-time story here, that Goldman is taking some private equity gains, plugging them into asset management. Look, the private equity gains are offset by some other things. And private equity gains, by the way, have been consistent in terms of everybody keeps saying they're one-off. This is the quarter where people are saying, you know what, they're not one-off, and the company's just doing really well. I have to tell you, wealth management, my old divisions, I can't believe it's just doing incredibly well. But by the way, the star of the morning is PepsiCo. I mean, let's give it to them.
Organic growth.
You look at ConAgra versus PepsiCo.
Yeah, and the organic growth numbers that they came out with, incredibly impressive. They raised their guidance for the year, but they're pretty conservative, as they said. And the numbers that they're giving you right now are probably just considering the big beats that they had today.
Yeah, LaGuardia is really, he's getting consistent 6% now. I mean, I was looking 4 to 5%, maybe high end 5%. He's actually taken a lot of share in carbonated. But it's Frito-Lay is amazing. I mean, what a juggernaut. And because the stores are now open, people are mobile again, they get the big convenience store Mountain Dew numbers. So that was just a very, very impressive quarter. That stock should be higher. I think Goldman will be fine. It'll be higher. J.P. Morgan will kind of tread water here, but it really, in the end, only because it was up 7 from where it was Thursday.
Perfect. Jim, anything else you're watching this morning?
Well, look, at the CPI, you do need to see more cars produced so use goes down. PepsiCo and ConAgra tell you that food is really about freight, which is about drivers. They can't seem to find enough. Some raw costs. ConAgra really, really tough for the raw costs. They don't have I just don't think they have the brands to be able to raise price the way PepsiCo can. So we got to see who can take price and who can't. PepsiCo can clearly take price. It's a very exciting morning, though, and it's kicking off an earnings season that is telling you that freight is really bad. By the way, Boeing, can I just say, bad set of facts there. Just a bad set of facts.
What do you mean?
I think that we all are looking at that company and saying, what's really going on there?
Because of the additional
I know.
Questions.
They're not making shampoo, right? Yeah. They're not making shampoo.
It's got to be right. It's got to be right.
But you know that the Dreamliner numbers aren't going to make it. You know that pretty soon we're going to be talking about the balance sheet. Yeah. And if you talk about the balance sheet, then you talk about equity offering. Talk about equity offering, then you say stay away until you get a better chance.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.